Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find or reset your website username and password using a cPanel. So many people forget their website logins details and don't know how to recover them. So if you are stuck on the login page and can't access your website, don't worry, I will guide you in a detail. So as you can see, this is my website, and when I go to the phpMyAdmin, it asks for the username and password. But I have forgotten them. But luckily I do have access to the cPanel, and I will show you two different methods to recover my login details from here. So let's start with the easiest method. First, let's log into the cPanel. Once log in, you will see the cPanel interface. If you are using the updated version, it's even easier to find your WordPress credentials. So on the left hand side, you will see an option called WordPress Management. Click on it. Now you will see your website listed here. Below your site, there are two options, Login and Setups. So when you click on the setup, you will see your WordPress username and password. If you just need your username, you can just copy it from here. But if you need to change the password, simply type a new password in a password field and click change. So that's it. Now let's go back to your WordPress login page and enter these credentials. And as you can see, we are now logged into the WordPress dashboard. So this is the easiest way to find or change your WordPress login details using cPanel WordPress Management tool. Now if you don't find the WordPress Management tool option on your cPanel, you can still find your login details through phpMyAdmin. So move to the second method. Again go to the cPanel and find the database section. So under the database section, click on phpMyAdmin. So phpMyAdmin is where all your WordPress data is stored, including your users and password. So now look at the left sidebar. Here you will see the list of databases. So click on your WordPress database. In my case, it's Amandage WP761, the first one. When I click the plus sign, it expands and shows different tables. Now look for the table called WP Users, or it may have a prefix like WP UX Users and many things. Now click on it. Here you will see a list of all registered users on your site. So I have the only one user. So if you want to change the password or reset the password, click on Edit next to the username. So you can easily edit the password or username from here. So once done, click on the Save Changings and again go to the WordPress login and enter your password or details. So these methods work even if you don't have access to the WordPress management tool in the cPanel. So both methods are super easy and effective. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.